Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Simfonio electric pressure cooker. I bought this off Amazon for $89 USD, so let's open it up. So on the box it says it's simple button design, one button cooking, fast cooking, saving 70% of the time. And on this side it says it's a 10-in-1 smart cooking program, super large 4.5-inch LCD screen, and intelligent progress curve. And here it says 10 proven safety mechanisms, so smart locking sensors, safety locking lid, auto pressure control, pressure protection system, electrical current and temp fuse, pressure regulation system, anti-block shield, overheat burn protection, temp monitor, and auto temp control. So let's open this up. So here's the pot. It's a 6-quart sim pot with metallic black surface. And there's also a welcome note. And a silicone gasket. On the pot itself, there's a delay start, a cancel, a pressure level, and a taste temperature button. There's also a knob for operation selections, and a 4.5-inch LCD screen. Over here, here's the valve and the pin. And now let's open this and see what's inside. So inside there's 2 silicone gloves, a rice paddle and soup paddle, 1 measuring cup, the power cord, a steamer basket, and of course a recipe book. There's also a removable sim pot. On the lid there's also another gasket. And that's the Simfonio electric pressure cooker. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.